Hello everyone, welcome to my other video. Today I'm going to show you how to use crontab with Django. So let's get started. So here I have already created one Django project. So if you enter into this project, you can see that manage.py file is there, and also I have created one app named Polls. So here I have already started one Django server. You can see it is running on port 8080. Now I need to install Django crontab. So for this you have to activate virtual environment. So make sure that you have already installed virtual environment in Django project. So write source space venv/bin/activate to activate your virtual environment, and then write pip3 space install space Django dash crontab, and it will install the Django crontab module in your Django project. Now if you are using any Windows based OS, you can skip this part, because in Mac or Linux based OS you need to give permission to terminal and also to the cron application. So as I'm using Mac, I have to enter in my privacy settings and give full access rights to the terminal and also the cron application. So you can see I have already given permission to terminal and cron application. In case you can see cron application here, you have to click on that plus icon, and then you have to go inside your user directory, and then you can find svin folder, and if you scroll down, and you can get one cron application. So select that and click on open. Okay, that's it. Now coming to the code section, you can see that my site folder is there, and inside it you need to first enter inside settings.py, and you need to add one other app, that is Django crontab. So write Django underscore crontab, and again at the bottom of the page you need to define your all the cron jobs. So just scroll down, and here just write cron jobs, and it will take one array, and here just inside this array just write the jobs. And if you go to the cron job website, crontab website, you can find that what actually these stars mean. So if you write */1, it means that my process will be executed after each 1 minute. Okay, so now just give comma, and then it will take another argument, that is here to pass which method you need to call. So inside this polls app, I'm creating one file, that is cron.py. So inside cron.py, here I have to define one method. So I'm defining a method like hi. So write def hi, and then write print, and just write printed from crontab. So it will actually help to print the log. So now write f equals to open, and here I'm giving the path where I need to create a file. So just give the full path here, whatever the operation you have to do. I'm just creating one file after 1 minute. So after every 1 minute it will create one file, and also give the operation, that is w, and finally close that file. Okay, so now just go back inside your settings.py file and just declare that method. So write polls.cron.hi. Okay, Now save it, and again go inside your terminal. So I'm just clearing all the previous comments. So now you have to write python 3 space manage.py, and then write crontab space add, and here you can see that is that task has been added. Now I'm taking you to the log file, so just write cd /var /mail, and then just write code space dot to open your text editor into that file. So actually I've made one mistake here. I have to give slash. Now save it. Now go back again inside this file, just to refresh this and wait for a minute, and it will just produce some logs. So here it is. You can see that the line which you have printed from that Python file, it is there, that is printed from content. And just if you minimize that, and you can see that this text file has been created. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe and like button.